So we're on the Sturgeon River, and look at there, there's a sturgeon. There's another one swimming up over there. Oh, he's gone.
Tail though. Very edge of the deep water.
Blending in with the rock.
All right, Jay, go out there and grab his tail.
Come get your feet wet.
Go for that CO officer right there. Yeah.
This is your break time, you guys. Don't think you're getting another break.
Well, I come back from cutting wood and I'm like, where is everybody? I'm like, well, I guess we took a break.
What, they going swimming down there?
Oh, look at it. It's gone.
Oh, look at there. Getting a little antsy.
Oh, he's coming over closer to me.
Yep. If you want a picture, take a picture.
I got pictures where you came from. What's he got hanging from his mouth?
They got whiskers like a catfish, yeah.
Sometimes they'll see down in the That's where I got pictures of. Pretty old.
Oh man, that thing is, it is so majestic. I mean, just, it knows it's the king of the river.
4.5, 5 feet?
That's at least 4 foot. I'd say probably, yeah, 4.5 feet. There was a smaller one swimming up over there, but it went out in the deeper water.
You know what's nice?
Can you get a good shot without the reflection? This is when, yeah, this is where they come up the river to spawn right now.
Here comes the other one. That one's got some. Then there's a littler one that's coming up, maybe 3 foot, 3.5 foot. 5 foot. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, you know where my brother's point is there? Yeah, right there. Yeah. It's definitely.
So if you've ever wondered why they call this the Sturgeon River,
That's what it is?
What do you think of that, bud? It's a sturgeon. Hurry up, Benny.
Okay. Oh, there's the other one right there.
Oh yeah, it's real pale.
Oh,
Lot
oh,
bigger.
yeah. Oh, over there. I see him moving, yeah?
Oh, now I
Oh, yeah, he's a lot smaller. That's probably maybe 30 inches.
And he keeps going in the deeper water.
Can you see it, Ben? No, he's right here. No, right there.
Oh, yeah.
He would needed a picture on the point anyway.
Yeah.
And he's smiling, look. Oh. Send you some pictures. I can send you some pictures.
That'd be great, yeah.
How old's 4.5 foot sturgeon?
About 20 years old. That's Lake Sturgeon. I don't know if this is actually Lake Sturgeon.
20 years old. Is that Michigan Lake Sturgeon?
Yeah.
Probably. Oh, he's gonna swim away now.